Hello everyone, welcome to my fresh YouTube channel. It's me, Appletapple, and today I want to do something that I actually don't want to do. It is super hot today and I'm wearing long sleeves because yesterday when I looked into the weather app, it said that it would only be 16 degrees around this time, but no. I just arrived home. I was just at the university and I thought I would just go to my car and then go grocery shopping and also go wash and clean my car because I have to do this video. I actually have to clean my car, but I just have no motivation at all because it's too hot and I'm in a cute outfit. And because of that, I don't really feel like doing anything. Not because of the cute outfit, but because it's 20 degrees, but it feels, it's just too much, okay? And I don't see the use in changing, and imagine me in a skirt going to the car wash. Like, I mean, I have safety shorts, but still, it's a bit too much for me. Like, I don't care if other people do it, but to me it just feels a bit, I don't even know. So, my plan for today is to go to the store, grab the things I need, come back home, and then go to the car wash. Does that make sense? Oh, maybe I should just change. Maybe I should just change my outfit and then just go and do it. I really like summer, but I don't like the temperatures. Like, I'm not made for 20 degrees Celsius. What? Okay, yeah, I think it's time for me to change. I need to walk around in a t-shirt and not long sleeves, which looks cute, but it's too warm for 20 degrees, okay? Yesterday, my outfit was on point. It was not too hot. It was the perfect weather for my outfit. But today, because it's warmer than expected, it's just too hot. So let's just change. Okay. Expectation versus reality. That's how it looks in reality most of the times. Not like they show on TV. Okay, let me try again. Whoa, okay. All right, everyone. I'm back. I changed my clothes and I feel like myself again. Well, I did feel like myself before too. Just now I feel like I can do the errands that I have to do. I made up my mind. I'm gonna go grocery shopping and then I will get the groceries home and then I will go and clean my car. Was it that difficult? Okay. You know, my videos don't have to be that chaotic. I know that. But if they weren't, I feel like they wouldn't be as entertaining. At least I would be so bored to write scripts, to film my videos according to my scripts, to edit them according to my scripts. That's just not me. You will always get chaotic neutral videos. I have to find that chart, you know? There's with the chaotic evil, chaotic good, chaotic neutral. I feel like I'm the chaotic neutral, but I don't really remember what the chart was all about. But it does feel like it. All right, easy task, easy task. I guess I just have to put on my shoes and go. That's it. It doesn't have to be difficult, okay? And you have to get stuff done. Just do it. Just do it. I have to work on my pep talk. See you in my car. Guess who finally decided to go clean their car? It's me, Appletapple. Just took me a while to contemplate life, but it's okay. I have everything together now. So what I'm bringing is a bucket and 2 bottles of water and some rags and also cleaning slime to really deep clean my car. I should also bring something else for dust, or maybe I'll just use that for dust beforehand. I will explain everything at my car, hopefully. Or I will just record and do voiceover. That's the plan. Let's go. Also, my poor water bottle with all my stickers. All the stickers are kind of falling apart and I don't know if I should put adhesive film over it or if I should use Mod Podge. I'm not sure which one would be the better option, but yeah, as you can see, a lot of stickers are kind of floating and I'm just scared that they will fall off. And also, I haven't cleaned this bottle, so I don't want to drink from it. It's just for the cleaning water. But before I can actually clean this bottle, I want to really make the stickers adhere better. So transparent film, Mod Podge, I don't know yet. I will decide soon, but I think I got everything, so let's go. Welcome to my car before cleaning. As you can see here, there's a lot of dust. I haven't vacuum cleaned my car in a while. Also, it's not that tidy. My seats are covered in sun protection. You can really tell on screen, but later on in the video you can actually tell. Yeah. It just looks like a car that I'm not regularly enjoying to drive. There's some leftover from my DIY coaster, but in general it's not too bad. If I just take one person with me, it's fine, but it's time to clean it. First, when I wanted to start recording, there was a staff member who was walking past that window, which was kind of awkward. So I just walked to the next window, although we were each telling the other to do their thing, but I just wanted to change windows and record from another angle. After the car wash, I started to clean the interior, so I started with the plastic inside of my car and also with my seats, which was not a good idea because as you can see, the sun protection was actually coming off of my seats, which I didn't think it would because I tried to get rid of them before and it was just never possible to get rid of them. But now with just like a wet or a damp cloth, I was able to kind of get it off. So I am hopeful in the next car cleaning video I will definitely try to really get it off and also use like a leather care. Also, I'm not 100% sure if my seats are real leather or if it's like pleather. I'm not sure about that, but I will do another deep cleaning of my car. It might be in another video soon, or maybe shortly before winter time, because that's when you also need to take care of your car. At least twice a year you have to like deep clean everything and such things like that. And you know, every time when you go on longer trips, you also need to do checkups. So don't forget about that. Hello. Hello. I just got back from the car wash. What's wrong with me? I just arrived back home and it really took me a long time at the car wash. It's already 5 p.m. I think I left around 3 p.m. Oh my goodness. So it nearly took me 2 hours to clean my car. So when I arrived, I was vacuum cleaning and then I let my car be washed. And then, you know, it's one of the car washes where you leave your car and you exit your car and then you wait for it. And when it comes out of the car wash, there are always 2 people who hand clean with microfiber towels or something like that. I think they clean your windshield and also your lights and the ears of your car, the mirrors. And I don't know what it is, but I actually feel really gross, you know? I came back home, I was sweaty, and then I was like, okay, I'm not gonna stay in my skirt. I'm gonna change into my gym clothes because I'm going to the gym now. I'm waiting for a friend. As usual. No pressure again. So I have my leggings. I really do not care about my hair. But they were like hand cleaning my car and they were just smiling at me the whole time, and I was like, okay, I couldn't really see because they were wearing masks and I was wearing a mask too, but it was really hot, so I took the mask off, and then they were smiling even more because you can see when someone is smiling through their eyes, which made me more uncomfortable, but also it's kind of nice, but also it made me feel uncomfortable. I don't know. They were just smiling, so it's okay. Nothing creepy. It was just a bit awkward because I'm awkward in general. The last 2 days, people, like strangers, came up to me and talked to me. I'm like, how does that happen? I mean, still appreciated it, but still awkward. So yeah, fun fact. Yeah, so that's the story. And then they have a parking spot where you can do more of a like deep cleaning. So beforehand vacuuming. So beforehand I was vacuuming. Beforehand I was vacuuming. What? I was vacuuming. Anyways, you know the drill. Okay, and then I was cleaning the insides. My seats are covered in sun protection. I can't get it off. I think I need to use something else because I just brought water with me and no like cleaning thing. I did bring foam, but I kind of thought maybe it's not a good idea. Maybe I should use actual leather cleaning soap and rags, and then also should use leather protection care things. And then you have to clean your doors, like all of the things that are crusty and dusty and disgusting. Okay, that's it. I think my friend will be here any minute and I will go to the gym. But before, I will go on a walk with her because she's not going to the gym. She just wants to go on a walk. And I'm like, okay. Sometimes it's nice not to care how you're walking around. Sometimes it's just so much easier to walk around feeling kind of gross in comparison to like actually wearing a cute outfit. It just hits different. What am I even talking about? Also, I need sleep, but that's another story. Welcome to my clean car review. Let's sit down. You can see I put on my steering wheel cover, but I do not recommend that. I added some pictures to my visor. And here's my cleaning station. And in the back is my pillow. And everything is clean. Clean. Love it. Don't look at the brush, it's for winter. I'm bringing it in the cellar, basement. This is my glove compartment. And here I'll put my receipts that I want to throw in the bin. And I have some sun protection, a parking clock thingy, and a flashlight. But I just noticed, oh my god, it's so dirty, don't look at it. I will clean it soon, I promise. And here I have one monkey, 2 monkeys, 3 monkeys. I love monkeys. And this right here is my trunk. It's small, but you can also make it bigger when you sink the floor in the ground. And look at the shininess of my car. And of course, one day after washing my car, there's bird poop. As always, that's Murphy's Law. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and follow all of my socials. Thank you very much. See you next time.